Hey everyone, welcome to today's explainer. Look, today we're going to uncover a literal cheat code for algebra. We're talking about solving an impossible-looking problem in under 60 seconds. So buckle up, because this is going to be a really fast-paced breakdown. Let's get right into it.
Okay, let's dive into this. Just look at this intimidating setup. I mean, we've got this terrifying rational expression staring us down, complete with two completely unknown variables, b and c. And our only goal here? Just figure out a possible value for c. Now, at first glance, I know this looks like an absolute nightmare, right?
So here's my challenge to you. Can you actually solve this whole thing in under 60 seconds? Think about it. If you try to just brute force this equation using traditional, long-form math methods, you're going to fail. Or at least, you're going to waste a massive amount of time. To beat the clock here, we honestly don't need hard work. What we need is to find the algebraic trapdoor.
Step 1. We break the fraction. Since the problem explicitly tells us that x does not equal b, well, that gives us the mathematical permission we need to just instantly multiply both sides by x minus b. And boom, that completely eliminates the messy division. It leaves us with this much cleaner, straight-line equation. X squared minus c equals x plus b times x minus b.
Now, what's really interesting about this next part is this is where the ultimate shortcut reveals itself. We're looking at the classic difference of squares rule. It is, no joke, the ultimate math cheat code. See, whenever you multiply the sum and difference of the exact same terms, like a plus b and a minus b, the entire middle section just perfectly cancels itself out.
Let's keep this momentum going. When we apply that hack, the right side of our equation instantly transforms into x squared minus b squared. And now, my favorite part, the cleanup. We literally just visually cross out the x squareds from both sides, drop those pesky negative signs by multiplying the whole thing by -1, and we land right here. A beautifully simple equation, c equals b squared.
So the crucial point is this hidden little detail. We don't actually need to figure out what b even is. The problem told us from the start that b is a positive whole number. Just think about the logic there for a second. If you multiply any integer by itself, that guarantees that c absolutely must be a perfect square. Numbers like 1, 4, 9, or 16.
Okay, so let's run our multiple choice answers through the suspect lineup. Turns out this entire intimidating equation was secretly just a math vocabulary test in disguise. All it's really asking is one incredibly simple question. Which of these options is a perfect square? Let's check them out. Is 6 a perfect square? Nope, eliminate it. How about 8? Nope. 10? Definitely not.
Which means our final verdict is A! Since 4 is simply 2 squared, it's literally the only possible mathematical match on the entire board. And honestly, just like that, we have our big, satisfying mic drop moment, and we did the whole shebang well under the 60-second mark. The takeaway here, master the rules, and you get to skip the hard work entirely. Seriously, complex math is so often just simple patterns hiding behind really messy formatting. Once you spot the trapdoor, it's almost effortless. So, I want to leave you with a question to chew on today. What other impossible-looking problems in your life could be solved just by finding the hidden trapdoor? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and hey, always keep looking for those shortcuts.